Em, Este tema es muy especial para mí. Fue el primer tema que Cristian y yo empezamos a colaborar juntos musicalmente, y también es uno de los temas que hemos grabado en Córdoba y que hemos sacado durante la cuarentena. Este tema habla sobre la transformación, algo que creo que todos estamos experimentando en este momento de una forma u otra, y se llama Outer Body, Inner Mind. Archangel was his name, he lived inside a flame, and everyone around him thought themselves to blame. He blew high and far on a horn made of bone. No one could hear his cry, the sound would turn to stone. The boy inside grew tired, his skin was wearing thin. He found himself a stranger to his own king. Intergalactical twists and turns, outer body experience. Of a desert where everyone's the same, a place where he could be called by his true name. He'd ride in on a horse to the rhythm of the storm. Lightning would strike him and he would be reborn. He woke to find that the fury was real. The rain had crushed the fire and he was free. Intergalactical twist and turns, outer body Archangel could spread his wings. The view from above was spellbinding love. Gracias.